I feel like I had a great show. It was a great show of laughter, good energy now.
All right. But were you nervous at first?
Yeah, I was going on the stage. It's my first time out here.
Is it?
Yeah, it's my first time in South Africa. It's my second time coming to South Africa.
Wow.
First time doing comedy in South Africa. So this is the biggest crowd I've ever performed in front of.
Wow, and it was full, and they were supporting you. They were screaming. That's good. Hey, that's good. You should keep doing it. Yeah. And for you personally, as a comedian, who was your favorite comedian?
I can't say. I love all of them.
You love
I really
all of
can't
them.
say.
They all add sugar, spice, and pepper.
Yeah, because they're all different. They've got different kinds of humor.
Yes.
I love all of them.
All right. I'm sure everyone in Swaziland will be proud of you. Do it for us. Do it for us, the supporters.
Are you counting yourself as a source or as a
I'm a supporter.
Okay,
hey, yeah. All right then, that's good. Enjoy the rest of your night. Hey. All right, thank you. Bye.